Hello, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Staurt. Today we're going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of a new brokerage listing. We're standing in front of a 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Extremely well-equipped vessel. A lot of recent maintenance. Over the past few months, this boat was just bottom painted. Engines were serviced. Boat underwent a full compound and wax detail. She has a stunning steel blue hull side color and also a full upper station with controls, Marine electronics up on top, joystick. Everything you see downstairs here in a minute is going to be redundant up on top as well. Full outriggers. You have shade up there as well. Marine open right radar and spotlight. Give you a look here at the hull side color. This boat's in gorgeous condition, sitting around 525 engine hours on the quad Mercury 400s with joystick control. As you see, we have the port side boarding door, fold out bench seat with your ladder here along the stern. This boat does have the optional cockpit table that you can drop in back here with the electric sunshade, and then a great summer kitchen setup. Refrigerator, live well in the center, storage drawers, sink, and then a electric grill. Whaler's done a great job of taking a fishing vessel and incorporating some nice cruising features into it. So we have 2 rows of forward-facing seats. The second seat, tough to do with one hand here, but simply flips up, and then the backrest will continue to come up, as you guys can reference in the photos. So between this seat and the forward seats, you have seating for 6 to 7. This area does have air conditioning, and then we have a full weather enclosure, which is stored up top, that will fill in the sides and the back. Another unique feature about this boat are the teak accents. Looks amazing. Aft sunshade here, which is concealed by the fiberglass panel. Massive hardtop for shade, and then a great vantage point looking forward. 3-piece glass enclosure with a vent in the center for airflow. This boat is Seakeeper stabilized. And we have a fantastic electronics package. We have 3 Raymarine 16-inch displays, Mercury joystick, spotlight, digital throttle and shift. We have the Lenco auto leveling trim tabs, active engine trim. So lots of cool features on this boat. As we walk down into the cabin, we have a very spacious area. Table is a high-low, goes up and down. We do have a filler cushion that'll go on top if you want to sleep. Nice galley off to the starboard side. TV and a full head and shower. Provides easy access into the cabin with the forward door. Here at the dash. As we walk forward, the entertainment continues. You have a great lounger here facing forward with armrests, a cooler underneath, insulated cooler, great bow seating. We do have backrests that pop up, and then this is a high-low table as well. Beautiful teak table. This is electrically powered and will raise. Windlass anchor up in the front. And as I referenced earlier, we are equipped with a full cruising tower. Seating for 5 up here. And again, full controls. Mercury vessel view, Raymarine chart plotter, joystick, trim tabs, everything you need is up here. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. This boat is stored at the MarineMax Staurt Marina. Please give us a call. You can reach me directly at 561-635-6811 to learn a little bit more or set up a showing.